Hello everyone. This is a quick video on how to simulate balls floating on water. We have some balls dropping into a pool of water. So we start by first setting the figure, the position, and the background color to white. Then we generate mesh grid between -15 and 15. You set the height of the water and then the z coordinate of the water. So we generate the water and then like using solve function, and then we set the color to be none to make it transparent, the edge color white, and then the face alpha, this does not need to apply, and then we set the edge alpha to be 0.15. Then we set the bound and then the lighting of the environment. Then we generate the ball and we extract the color order of Matlab. Then here we're using four balls. Then we generate random numbers, three by the number of balls. With that, we generate the positions of the ball, the x, y, and z. Then we create the balls using the sort function. We set the colors using the color we extracted. The edge alpha is set to 0.1, and then we compute the radar position of the ball on the mesh grid because that is going to be used to generate the wave on the water. Then we set gravity, we set the initial velocity and the final velocity. We set the wave characteristics and the wave equation. And then we create the logic that determines whether the ball is on the water or still dropping. And then we begin the simulation. So here we set the timer and then we stop the timer here. Then we compute the change in time. Then we set the z coordinate of the sub function for the water to initial zw. Then we check if for each of the ball, if the ball is still dropping, we update the velocity, we update the position using equation of motion, and then we update the z position in the handle. So, but if the ball is already on water, then we have to accumulate the wave time, and also then we also have to compute the equation. The z coordinate of the water using the wave equation, and we also do the same thing for the ball. And then we check that logic again to determine if the ball is on the water or still dropping. And then we set the initial velocity to be equal to the final velocity. We start the timer again, and then we render the object. So I'm going to run this for us to see how it performs. Wow, that's it. You can change the number of balls that you want. If you don't like four, you can use five. So let me stop this. Use five number of balls. Or maybe you can even use six. Any number is fine. And that's it. How to simulate um, balls floating on water. Thank you.